In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share your screen in Google AI Studio. First, sign in to your Google AI Studio account. Once you are logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click Playground. After that, select Live to open the real-time workspace. In the Live section, choose the Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview model. Then give the page a moment to load fully so the live interface is ready. When the interface appears, click the Share Screen button. A screen sharing window will open on your device. In that window, review the sharing options available to you. You can choose to share a browser tab, a specific application window, or your entire screen. Select the option that best fits what you want Gemini to view. Next, click on the tab, window, or screen that you want to share. After making your selection, click Share to begin the session. Wait a moment while the screen sharing connection starts. Once it is active, you should see a shared screen preview inside the live interface. This lets you confirm that the correct content is being displayed. If needed, you can drag the preview window to move it to a different position on the screen. You can also resize the preview window by dragging its corners. This can help you keep the workspace organized while you continue working. If the preview includes a hide option, you can click it to reduce distractions while the session remains active. After your screen is being shared successfully, move to the live chat area. Enter the prompt that you want to use with Gemini, then click Run to start the interaction. Gemini will now be able to respond based on the prompt and the content you are sharing on your screen. Take a moment to confirm that screen sharing is active and working correctly. Make sure the shared preview matches the content you intended to show. If everything looks correct, you are ready to continue using the live session for demonstrations, guidance, or real-time help. This process makes it easy to combine screen sharing with live interaction inside Google AI Studio. It is a simple setup once you know where each option is located. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.